so I'm pretty sure most of you know that you can actually connect a controller to your iPhone. You see right now we connect the controller to the iPhone, but I'm not sure if everybody knows that when you connect your iPhone to USB-C cable, you can actually hook it up to any monitor which has a USB-C, or if you have an adapter like this one, you can actually also connect the USB-C to you see an HDMI cable. So that would be the second alternative. So speaking, if you would travel and you want to have a good games console, you could actually take your iPhone with you, either having a USB-C cable if you find a USB-C monitor, or most likely you would have a use a USB-C to HDMI connector. And now you see we have the Xbox controller here, but it could be also a PlayStation controller. And now you see we have the iPhone screen here, and then we just replicate the screen to, and on the iPhone you just have to allow that you mirror your screen, but basically what you see, that works just fine. And now let's just do a little gameplay here. And so you see we have the controller here, and the graphics actually look pretty fine. If I had to guess, it's somewhere in the HD vicinity, the resolution, maybe 720p ish on that screen, but it's absolutely fine to play. And that's just a little tip if you are going somewhere and happens that you have like this adapter which is USB-C to HDMI, or if you find somewhere where they would have a monitor with a USB-C connector. Okay, alright, just to prove that it works, going back to the phone, starting that game again, and you see it works just fine. And it could be any game, of course. And let's just do a different race. And yeah, as you can see, it works like pretty seamless, and it's quite nice to do that. Now this is just the intro of the game. These annoying things where it stopped should be gone if you play further, but that's just to test the game and to show that it's really working. And so that is pretty easy with every iPhone which has a USB-C connector. You need to have a USB-C connector, of course. So I guess iPhone 15 and 16 should be good. Same would apply, of course, for any iPad which has a USB-C connector. You can actually use that as a console.